Hello and welcome to the mailbox section. This is where you see all connected inboxes in one place and manage them at a high level. At the center of this page, you find a list of all your mailboxes. Each row represents a single inbox, and the toggle on the left side shows you if warm-up is active. You can also check current status, deliverability status, daily sending and receiving activity, DNS score, ISP score, and of course your subscription plan that you're using in your warm-up. This view helps you quickly understand which inboxes are active and how they are performing. From here, you can search and filter mailboxes by email provider, domain, or management type, which is especially useful if you're working with multiple inboxes or multiple clients. If you click on any mailbox in the list, you'll be taken to its mailbox details. That's a warm-up activity, settings, and deeper performance insights live. We'll cover that page in detail in a separate guide. At the top of this section, you also see additional tabs for groups and bulk connections. Now, groups let you organize mailboxes by company, provider, or any kind of structure that makes sense for your workflow. This helps keep large accounts clean and easier to manage. Bulk connection, on the other hand, is where you connect multiple inboxes at once. In order to do that, you can add Google Workspace mailboxes using admin delegation, or you can also do that via CSV import, depending on your setup. Think of the Mailboxes page as your launchpad. It's where inboxes are listed, organized, and accessed. And it's the starting point for managing warm-up and deliverability at the mailbox level.